Welcome to SMATI Academy. In this video, we will explore the basics. What is econometrics? Why is it important? And what can you achieve by mastering it? We start by the question of what is econometrics? Econometrics is nothing but the application of statistical and mathematical method to analyze economic data and test theories. It is an intersection of economic theory, mathematical economics, and statistical methods. In simple terms, it helps us answer the real-world questions such as how feasible is the ECOWAS monetary union? We have 2 published articles in high-impact journals on the feasibility of monetary union among the ECOWAS countries. Another important question is how effective is lockdown in reducing active COVID-19 cases? Our article on Do As Your Neighbors Do, assessing the impact of lockdown on active COVID-19 cases, has used econometric method to answer this question. Can we predict inflation trends? In our recent article, we use both econometric and machine learning models to predict the consumer price index in the West African countries. And why is econometrics important? Econometrics is important because it bridges the gap between theory and reality. For example, economists propose theories such as higher income leads to higher consumption. They also use data to test and validate these theories. Econometrics is a critical tool in many fields such as business in order to understand consumer behavior and market trends. It is also used in policy making, especially in evaluating the impact of policies like subsidies, lockdown, and so on. In academia, econometrics can be used to advance economic research. You require a good knowledge of econometrics to be able to publish in high-impact journals. There are 3 major components of econometrics. This includes economic theory, which provides the models, hypotheses that the econometrician tests using statistical methods. It helps guide model formulation, variable selection, results interpretation, causal inference, and econometric analysis. Another key component is model. Model is nothing but equation that represents relationships between variables. For example, we have consumption equals beta 0 plus beta 1 multiplied by income plus epsilon. This equation is saying that consumption depends on income. In our last hypothesis, we say higher income leads to higher consumption. But we know that even with 0 income, we have to consume. We know that we have to consume even if you have no income at all. This is what economists call the autonomous consumption, and it is captured by beta 0. Beta 1 as the slope of the equation measures the changes in consumption as a result of change in income. This is what the economists call the MPC, that is marginal propensity to consume. The value of MPC lies between 0 and 1. It will never be negative and it will never be larger than 1. And we know that there are other factors than income that will influence our consumption behavior. These factors are captured by the error term, that is the epsilon. Another major component of econometrics is statistical methods, which are the techniques we use to estimate and test these models. For example, we have ordinary least squares, vector autoregression, vector error correction models, and so on. To perform any statistical method, we need data. Econometrics relies on high-quality data such as time series data, GDP over years, cross-sectional data in the form of survey responses for individuals, and panel data, for example, economic growth of African countries over time. Econometrics can make us employable. For example, the new slogan is that data are the new oil. So if you are able to analyze the data well, you will get more income from the data analysis skill. And with the econometric skill, you have diverse career paths available. You can be in policy research, consulting, tech, energy, pharmacy, health policy, and academia. In short, you can work in any field involved in data analysis. In our tutorial, we are going to use EViews, which stands for Econometric Views, because it is user-friendly software tailored for econometric analysis. Importing and managing data is simple in EViews. Running regressions and visualizing results takes a few clicks. Its intuitive interface makes it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. Here are some suggested books to help you enrich your knowledge of econometrics. We have basic econometrics. We also have applied econometrics. We have using econometrics, a practical guide, introductory econometrics, applied econometric time series by Walter Enders, and analysis of economic data. Thank you for joining us today. In the next video, we will discuss the sources of data and how to download them. We welcome any comments that can improve the services of SMATI Academy. Remember that together we can do anything. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notification on